Welcome back to the channel, fellow adventurers. If you're new here, thank you for joining us. Want to let you know we do EDC gear reviews, knife reviews, and other random stuff. So stick around, you'll enjoy it. With that being said, right before we get into this is a new unboxing video. But before we get into it, if you could please like the video and subscribe to the channel. That way we get it out to as many people as possible. We can grow this channel and get a nice new knife community. But just like and subscribe. Thanks, appreciate it. So today we have a company that I never heard of, but I was intrigued by the knife. This is Tactiman knife company, and according to this, Tactiman gear gives you a tactical edge. Tactiman camping and survival gear. So let's open this up. Let's cut this open using my my pyrite light. Let's see what we got. Okay, just the basics in here, nothing fancy. The box and some plastic, cellophane. So what we have here is an access lock knife, or clutch lock, whatever you want to call it. This is kind of a traditional looking knife. It's got your stainless steel, and this is wood. I don't know what kind of wood it is. It actually doesn't say, but it's a wood with a black dye, and it's got your typical imperfections. I see some little marks in here. It's not, and a slight little scratch across here, which I don't know, that might just polish out. I'm not sure, that might be from shipping. On the back side of it, the wood's a little inconsistent. And again, this really needs to be polished up. They didn't do a good job of cleaning this up when it went in the box. I will say that. But let's open it up and see what it looks like. Wow, it's that stiff. Oh boy, I don't know if it's because it's new, but that did not want to come out of there at all. Yeah, this is really stiff. There's no way I can't thumb foot that. So that's kind of disappointing. I love the blade shape on this. Now, just to let you know, this is an 8CR13 MOV steel. The blade length is 3.54 inches, so it's a decent size. Overall, the knife is 8.7 inches, and it's a closed length of 4.8 inches. Now, this is going to be rough because it's going to be really hard to get an opinion on this, because I think the pivot is too tight, and the blade is slightly off center. So this just needs to be adjusted, I think, and oiled up, because honestly, it's a very stiff knife. I mean, there's just no getting around that. This is going to be something that's going to be worked in. It's going to really need to be worked in really well. And like I said, I think the pivot might be just slightly too tight. I will say there's no blade movement up or down, left or right. So that's good. I think this pivot lock is very solid. I should say this access lock is very solid. I don't think that's going to fail. We'll give it a little spine test. It was a light, and there's no movement. We'll go a little harder. Oh, that's not good. That failed. Did I have it engaged all the way? Let's try it one more time. This knife is a fail, folks. I'm really disappointed. This knife is a fail. That's twice the lock failed. Tactiman, what are you doing? Can I do it by hand? No, I can't. Let's try it for a third time. Yep. Well, that's going to end right here, because nobody wants a knife that's going to fail. This is a knife I'm going to wind up sending back. I'm disappointed. I like the look of it. but I'm going to send it back because it failed. Maybe I'll have them send me another one, but that's really disappointing, especially I was hoping, I had high hopes of this knife. I mean, size-wise, I liked it compared to the, the Pyrite Light. It was a decent-sized blade, comparing it to my Hogue Deca. It's right there, blade size, blade shape. Ergos are really good. Unfortunately, there's no jimping, but if the blade's gonna fail, if the lock's gonna fail like that, I just can't keep it, So, sorry, but this Tactiman is a fail. It's not safe. Can't recommend it. And I'm gonna let everybody know. I'll give them a chance. I'll send it back and get a new one. But as of right now, I'm gonna end the video because this is a fail. So, it's a fail on too many levels. It doesn't open right out of the box. As you saw, the lock failed, and the fit and finish isn't great. So I don't know. I don't know what to say. It's the first knife I've had that has failed on me. So, Tactiman, you got to do better. I mean, if you're a new company, you just have to do better. All right, everybody. I'm going to wrap it up here. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. And until the next one, keep your blades sharp.